In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam no connection error when you're on your Steam. Now, first step, guys, is what we can try is to run Steam as an administrator. How you can do that is you can press the start button here, search for Steam, right click on it, and go to open file location. Now, once you're in here, you're going to right click again and go to open file location, and you will come to the Steam application. You're going to right click on it, properties, go to compatibility, and from in here, you're going to check run this program as an administrator. Press apply and OK. Now, close down the Steam, and when you open Steam again, it will ask if you want to open it as an administrator, and you're gonna say yes. Now, if that doesn't work, something else you can do is you can just simply close down Steam and reopen it. This also works sometimes. Click on the little arrow button here, right click on Steam and exit Steam. Then simply open Steam again and see if that fixed the issue. Now, the last step that we can try is we can go to the Steam up here, go to settings. And once we're in the settings, you're gonna go to downloads. In here, make sure you choose a region that's closer to you. If your region doesn't work, you can select another one close to you. And the last one that we want to try is clear the download cache. Simply click on this button and then try and reopen Steam. Now, all those three methods should hopefully fix your problem. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.